Ah, dang, this game would be so much easier if, like, the dinosaur had, like, a jetpack or something and could just fly past all the levels. Okay, so we're gonna do something right there. I also noticed this video is getting kind of long, so most likely I split it into two parts. So we're going to fix that. We just need a new tab. We're gonna search jetpack back into our editor. So we have the jetpack PNG. So right where I said could just fly past all the levels. But alas, that's not how it is. The levels. All right. So where do I mention the jetpack? Dinosaur had like a jetpack or something. Dinosaur had like a jetpack. Okay. Had like a jetpack. Okay, and then yeah, we're gonna add our dinosaur back to the screen again, and we're gonna add the jetpack with it. So how long do we want this to last? And could just fly past all the levels. Okay, we're gonna add it right there. So we're gonna delete those two, and then this is what I want to do here. Is we're gonna grab inspector. Now we want like a sound effect to accompany that, so we're gonna go back to YouTube, except this time we're just going to search it normally. We're gonna search like jetpack noises. Let's listen to this one. That'll work. So okay, so we're gonna copy the URL, and then we're going to use something called YTMP3, which my friend showed me how to use, and now I'm showing you guys how to use. And I'll leave a link for this too, and we're going to do an MP3 file. We're going to paste the video, we're going to convert, and then we're just going to download. And yes, this is a secure site, so you don't have to worry about that. So always stay safe for me. Okay, now we're going to go back in here, and we're going to import media. Let's grab from our downloads, sound effects. Okay, there we go. And then we want that sound effect down here, except we want to make it a little quieter because you remember how loud that was. So I'm just going to right away lower the audio for that. Or something and could just fly past all the levels. Okay, yeah, that works perfectly. That's not how it is. And that's the dinosaur game. That's not how it is. And that's the dinosaur game. Alright, and then from there, we're going to cut out all the gameplay, and we're going to make my... we're editing the end right now, and now we're just cutting out the gameplay and making the end a little... making my end card. So let's do that. So I'm going to transform once again, make this a little bigger, have it fill the screen. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope the game, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. I hope you guys video and okay. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. From there, the music. I want the music actually gone, so we're gonna cut it out right there. And then, as I told you, to make it sound nicer, we're gonna do that little audio thing right there. Expand that, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, and obviously that's a different outro than what I normally do. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so from there, we're going to cut out everything. Alright, but yeah, so we're going to add the song that I use, which is Cloud Chaser. I'm not sure if right here. And gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to make that a little louder. Which it's going to expand eventually, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay. Yep. And then we're gonna add that right here. Which actually we're gonna add it right here because we're gonna need to add that crossfade right here. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, and then it does my outro for a little bit. I'm gonna add my logo right here, which just need to expand, put it like that, and then yeah, and then to make it do what I normally do, which is I make it slide into place. And as you see right here, it's kind of big and it will slide kind of slowly. Like, watch this. Bye. it will slowly slide over. But what we want it to do is we want an instantaneous slide over, right? So we're going to do that. Yep, so it slides into that like that. Oh, why did I do it on the game? I don't want it on the game. That's my bad. Dinosaur game. We're actually going to cut out that right there, pull that down, and then we'll do the slide. That makes sense. I was like, why is it showing the dinosaur game? Bye. Okay, then it slides into place, and normally it'll show my, you know, the recommended videos and stuff like that. Okay, and then we're just going to end out the video right there, except without, I'm going to add that message soon to people, which you guys don't have to see, but if you want to see that message, go ahead and just rewatch that video. And that should be all. Just let me add this, add that to 0, and then slowly fades out. Okay. Alright, we're just going to be quick about this because this is going to be the last step. This is the uploading process, and I'm going to make it as quick as possible so that we can just finish these videos once and for all and move on to a new series. I'm hoping to do Five Nights at Freddy's 4 next. Sorry I haven't been uploading as much as I'd like to, but high school is a lot. I'm always busy with it. Alright, but anyway, this is what we're going to do, and we're going to make this as fast as possible. So yeah, first you're going to go to the upload video part of YouTube Studio, and you're going to select a file, and then this is what you're going to do. So first you're going to do a title, do whatever title you want. If you want it to stand out, do like an all caps title. That kind of makes titles pop out, make it look more exciting. Description, I like to split the description into 4 parts. So I'll make this super fast. First part, short thing about the video. You can check my videos to see the format I do for descriptions. Second, go a little more in depth about the description. Add anything you feel you want to. My third thing is just like a thank you for watching, thank you for reading the description, blah blah blah. The last thing I want you to do, which I'll actually show you an example of what I do. So this is if you want to like link people to other videos you've made in your description. So you're gonna go to, you know, your channel videos or any video that you want to link. Right click on whatever video, do copy link, go back to the channel videos, and then paste that description there, and then add a little thing like this was, I'll just put birthday video, and then that will be a link for that. I will just leave it there. Thumbnail I'm about to get to. The rest, add it to a playlist if you want to. Say if it's made for kids or not. We'll just say no, even though it is. Age restriction or advanced if you want to. You know, restricting stuff. More options. I would definitely go more options just to make your video a little more descriptive. Tags, if you have any tags, put them there. Language, mine would be English, United States. Whoops. Caption certification, never aired in the US. Recording date, if you want to put that there. Video location, put it there if you want to. Standard YouTube license, of course. Embedding, publish to subscription feed. What kind, category, so what kind of video this is. Like this would have been a gaming one. So where's gaming? Gaming's right there. Game title, I don't know if the dinosaur game would be, I don't remember. We'll just say it is. Dinosaur game. I'm going to allow all comments for this, even though I'm not putting this out. Sort by top or newest. I'm going to do top and show how many viewers liked and disliked the video. Once you've got that, I'll show you how to do the thumbnail in a second. Go to video elements, and you can either you can add an end screen. Okay, this isn't showing up for me right now. Alright, just go there for end screen, and then you can add playlists you want to link them to, your channel, videos, anything like that. Go into the menu as pretty self-explanatory. Add cards, we'll go into add, place in whatever place you want in the video. Like let's say right in the middle, I want to link to a video on my channel. We'll say the quesadilla video, and then it will pop up as a card. You can do a custom message, like I'll just say Quay. And then, you know, you can also link channels if you want to. Like, you know, you can link your own channel. anyone else's channel, and that's how you add cards. And then visibility, do you want it to be private? Oops, shoot. Do you want it to be private, unlisted, or public? This would, you would normally want your videos public so everyone can see them. Schedule, that's if you want them to come out on a certain day or time, and then you'd press publish. Okay, and that's it for that. And real quick, as fast as I can, I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail. All right, and this is the final thing. This is what I use to make thumbnails. It's called Canva. It's free, so it's pretty good. That's what I use. Good quality, good for it. And so what I normally do is I go straight to uploads, and then you can upload what kind of media you want. You can see here is actually actually we'll keep those there because I still need to make the thumbnail for this video. Is you can add whatever kind of things you want. So what I recommend you do is you go here and we'll add some kind of background. Let's search, dinosaur. And then we'll do images. We're gonna put, let's say we wanted this for the background. We'll save image. That will be our background, and then I'll just use these as an example. But yeah, so then you're gonna upload those media, upload from your device. Then your image will be here. You're just gonna press it, align it to fit your canvas, however you want it. There you go. That would be the background. And let's say I wanted Call Me Kevin's head to just be about to be eaten by a dinosaur, and then that'd be the thumbnail. So yeah, I recommend you do a background. You use GIMP like I explained in other videos how to use that. Use GIMP to do that, and then you can also add text if you want, which text is super easy. It's just pick whatever kind of font you want and then put, like he's about to be eaten. So I just deleted the whole thing. Nice. He's about to be eaten, so we'll just say he says, ow. There you go. And then that'd be that thumbnail. That was actually a pretty funny thumbnail for right off the bat. But either way, that's exactly how I do it. Then once you do that, you're just going to download this. Or it's not a video. Download as a PNG. Then once you have it, we're going back to YouTube, and then you just add it to where it said upload thumbnail, and then that'll be your thumbnail. Okay, and then that's it. Made that as fast and quick as possible, and hopefully that's all you guys need to know. Again, sorry I haven't been uploading as much, been so busy, but thank you guys for all your support. We have just hit like 78 subscribers. That is so cool. I can't wait till we hit 100. If we hit 100, I'll probably do like a Q&A live or something like that. I don't know. We'll do something cool for you guys. Either way, thank you guys so much for all your support. Sorry the series has taken so long, and I'm so excited to move on to Five Nights at Freddy's 4 in the next video. Alright, so we'll end off with Trey, who actually used his camera all those months and months and months ago before school started, or maybe even during, I don't know. It's been so long. Either way, hey Trey, how old are you now? Who knows? Either way, if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!